you have already made a decision that the petitioner was addressing the gallery. Will he have confidence to appear before him? Ahmed Nasir Sr., when he was constantly spotted by the Supreme Court that he was attacking the courts, the court decided to punish. When he appeared, all the members of the Supreme Court recused themselves. They never gave him audience. Will the Deputy President have audience before you when the main substantive motion comes before you? You have already made up your mind that his job is to address the public. The rationale for this matter, going live and my brothers and sisters saying it is a public interest matter, is because 55 million Kenyans are waiting to see the free learned judges appear impartial. It is our submission from our client Sharia Mtaani that based on that, you recuse yourself.